Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook Rogan Josh. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video. For this recipe, you have to prepare the lamb one day ahead. What we did is we boiled the lamb, marinated it, and kept it in the fridge overnight. These are the bite-sized pieces of lamb. To boil the lamb, we took a large pot and filled it with about 10 cups of water. Then we put about 20 peppercorns, 3 bay leaves, 10 cloves, and few pieces of cinnamon stick. We put this in the water and brought it to a boil. Then we added the lamb to the water and covered it up and boiled it on low heat for an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, we took the lamb off the stove and removed it from the pot. Next, we strained the water and kept it as a broth to use it today. This is about 1.5 pounds of lamb, and we marinated this yesterday with half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and 1 cup of yogurt. After doing that, we mixed it all together and put it in the fridge overnight. This broth has been in the fridge overnight, and you can see the fat is floating above. The advantage of doing is all the fat comes out and it becomes healthier food. I'm going to take the fat out. You can see all the fat is out, and we will cook with this broth. Now we'll start cooking our Rogan Josh. We'll start by putting half a cup of oil on high heat. The oil is now hot, and I'm putting the onion first. It's a 1 medium onion. Keep stirring this onion till it becomes light brown, and it will come to a point where the onion starts to burn a little bit. You'll smell the onion and keep stirring all the time. You can see the onion is getting brown, and I can smell the onion burning. I put cloves now. These are 3 cloves of garlic. I reduced the temperature to medium, and now I'll add our lamb in it. Now keep stirring the lamb on medium heat. Add half a cup of sour cream. Stir it 4 to 5 minutes. When the lamb starts to boil like this, put the spices. 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, ground. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili. Stir it well. Now whilst it's cooking, we'll put some of the broth. We'll put 3 cups of broth. Bring this to a boil. Now you can see curry is all mixed up and it's boiling. So what we'll do is bring the temperature to low and cover it up and leave it on stove top for about 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes now, and I'm going to open the lid. And let's check how it looks. This looks just fine. I'm going to shut the stove and let it cool down for a while. Our lamb Rogan Josh is now completed, and I'm going to put it in the bowl. Now I keep putting my lamb and sauce together. I'm taking a piece of lamb and putting it in a plate, and I'll cut it and see how soft it is. Easy to cut, very soft to eat. Softest meat, the best. You don't have to chew much, it's just great, it just goes down. The sauce is good too. Not too spicy, feel like eating all the time. Keep on eating. To finish this off, I'll garnish it with some mint. This is our finished lamb Rogan Josh ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so and hit the bell button so you're notified each time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Until next time. It's time for taste test, and we'll start with the first bite with Shah Sultan. My best buddy. Very good. She took a bite, now I'll take my bite. Soft meat, tasty, and we are eating lamb Rogan Josh with lamb pulao. Second bite. She took a second bite. I'll take a second bite too. Very, very tender meat. It just goes down. This is an addictive food. Try it, enjoy it. Keep eating.